Okay, perfect. Welcome to our second lecture of our PRP lecture series. Now, if you remember, last week we talked about the difference between stem cells versus PRP, right? We talked about how we get blood from the horse and how we take the blood. Can I have a red marker? Good. Okay, thank you. So how we can have blood, and the blood has red blood cells. Imagine that's red blood cells, right? Then we have a little buffy coat here, and then over here we have plasma. Right here we have plasma. And then from here we actually get the platelets. We get white blood cells, we get platelets, we get other stuff as well. Now, in this lecture today, we are going to focus on this part and what happens with this part. All right? Now remember, if you haven't watched the number 1 video, watch the number 1 video because that one I explained the basics of the PRP. So we have platelets right here, and what we're going to do, it is an interesting concept because we are going to take these platelets and we are going to put them in a vial, and we're going to get plasma and we're going to get platelets in the same vial. All right, that's why we call it platelet rich plasma, because we have the plasma and we have the platelets. Now we leave as much red cells out of the picture. We don't have to take all the red cells. That's why when you see PRP done to your horse or to yourself, you're actually going to see that it's red because there's going to be a lot of red blood cells, and that's okay. What else is going to be there? Well, there's going to be a lot of white blood cells, right? White blood cells are those cells that go and fight inflammation. That cells are going to be right there as well, and that's okay. Then you're going to have platelets. And what platelets do? They do multiple things. Well, let's say you have a cut. When you cut yourself, platelets help creating a clot, right? But what else is so cool about platelets is that they have something called growth factors. These growth factors are extremely important to help healing. Platelets also have some good anti-inflammation properties. Anti-inflammation. So their own body, our own body, is trying to actually help the inflammation. So platelets, not just clot, they also have great growth factors, great anti-inflammatory properties, and we are going to suspend them in the plasma in one tube right here, all mixed up together. And that's what we're going to call platelet-rich plasma. Okay, so the next question is, which platelet is better? What system is better? What should I do for my horse? Some people tell me more platelets is better. Some people tell me less platelets is better. Some people tell me more white blood cell is better. More red blood cell is better. There's so many questions out there that I'm going to answer for you, so just stay tuned because next week's video is going to have a bunch of answers for you. Thank you very much. Have a great day.